Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome again. Welcome again. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for stop by. And let's enjoy the video with this beautiful creation. Today, as you see, I have colorful two different eyes going on. Today I use this colors. Okay, you know what, let me put them back so we have better presentation here. Okay, today's video I use this beautiful Dominique cosmetics. What are they? Like the eyeshadow, sparkly eyeshadow. Okay, you got the sneak peek. Let me get them up. Yes, it's not my fate to show you this product in the nice presentation. Okay, today's video I play this Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow sparkle. This is the packaging. Yes, let me show you this because I got the bundle. Okay, so I have the right to show you. Yes, we got every color here. I give you two different eyes and I use all of them, so you're gonna see my thoughts in the end with the swatches, everything. We're just experimenting and using all these goodies, so if they are gonna be good or not, if they worth your money or not, we're gonna see. End of this video, you're not gonna have any question. Yes, let me show you the close-up, the colors, and the shift, this transition. Okay, this is the look. Let's go to look. Let's enjoy the video and go. Base is done. I mean, it's halfway done. I didn't put any blush or highlighter, but we're good to go. It's time to play with these goodies. I got the bundle because I want to try all the shades. Those are the shades, guys. First, I'm gonna give my eyelid a little bit contour before starting because this is the reality. I probably use that as a topper of my eyeshadow, maybe the eyeshadow itself, but I need some dimension on my crease. I'm gonna be using these two colors. I guess it's good combination to use this one. This is the Daydreamer to outer part and use electric soul through the inner part. Let me give you close up. I mean the more close up. Closer up. Let's blend it with eyeshadow, how it's gonna blend. I'm gonna get dark brown here. I'm gonna put it outer part to blend and create this dimension. And I can say they work beautifully together. I'm just gonna place a little bit more. Blending this two with my finger. Okay, it's beautiful. And then I'm gonna be taking electric soul. Look at this green. Now I'm gonna just putting it inner part. I wanna say when I apply, it gets a little bit patchy on somewhere, or I don't know. It's like really shifting the color. When you build up, guys, it builds beautifully. I'm gonna try to blend it with my finger. Okay, when I definitely try to blend, I see some part gets removed. I don't know if it's seeable on the camera. I'm taking this color and I'm gonna blend the top a little bit to diffuse the edge and see how it's gonna be blend. I love this combination. I'm gonna do the bottom parts later after I complete this one. For this eye, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna add this one onto the whole lid and see how it's gonna be looking at the blending all this jazz. And it blends just beautifully. I'm gonna add a little bit more here. Now I'm gonna blend it with my finger through the eyeshadow. Let me darken up the other part a little bit with Daydreamer again. blending it with my eyeshadow. When you do your application, brush is important, guys, so try to use the right brush. I'm gonna add a little bit more and I'm blending it with my finger. Now it's time to put this beautiful shade. Let's see. The important part to create this transition. I'm taking some on my hand from these two colors and I'm gonna blend them here. I know it's not good angle. Let's pop it on the middle. Once you apply and you go over with your finger, you're just gonna take off some of the pigments. But I get it, it's not easy to get the transition with these colors. Maybe those are more just used by itself, kind of. I'm just gonna drag brown one on top of the another, and I guess it works better since this color has more pigment. I want it to stay underneath, so it's still gonna be peeking through. Now I'm taking this shade. I'm playing with these three shades, guys, and I'm gonna blend the top part. They blend nicely, but just be aware when you blend. This shade is just losing a little bit pigment. Time to use this color. To be honest, guys, when I swatched this color, it had like less pigment. On camera, the pigmentation is top notch, but in real life, I see it has less pigment. Some part I still see my skin. Let me hand swatch it, guys. Maybe it is the way how it's supposed to be because it has golden shimmer. Okay, I'm dragging a little bit top of this color. Okay, guys, that's that. I feel I would use this orange somewhere here. I'm gonna add this orange on the middle. I really love the transition on this eye, but I really wanna see because since it has like the three color, I wanna match this eye too. More pigment I'm applying on the middle, and through the sides I'm just light-handedly packing. Let me show you close up, guys. I see this part get creasy. I'm gonna add a little bit more blue. And now I don't want to get more colorful. I just want eyelid pop, so I'm just gonna get smooth something on the bottom. First I'm taking this and then I'm taking this one and the dark brown, the one on the corner. Then I'm gonna be applying this. And that's all. Eyes are done in terms of using all those goodies. Let's do the rest of my face really quick. Okay, last more checkup with you guys for this eye. This blue is just letting itself go. So we have some crease. Just gonna add here a little bit more. And lastly, let's do the lip. Guys, this is the completed look. I hope you like it. Of course, my favorites and not favorites. Okay, let's give it a close-up, guys, with those color. See this purple shift here? Pinkish purple shift, and the green and the brown. Still we have here yellowish greenish something shift, orange. This has highest pigment. It has pink and purple shifts. Okay, this is the one swipe. And it has gold, sky blue, turquoise, some dark like the blue shifts. And this one has full coverage. Let me show you the close-up. I love these shifts. Look at this purple. Those are the swatches, guys. Sorry for the swatches, like the swatches quality, but I just wanna show you guys how they swatch on one swipe. Yes. Now it's time to give my thought. I like how they vibrant, colorful, especially my favorite colors, all of the colors on this eye. And purple, I love these four so much, as a shift wise, as a application wise, as blending wise, everything. And when you guys build up, they're like popping, they're popping there. When you apply light-handed, I applied them light-handed on the transition point. I want nice transition. I just don't want to put like one swipe and okay, this is the eyeshadow, it's there. But I want my application looks kind of professional. You know how professional I can get, that professional. They create the transition nicely. It depends on your application. So play with those. I used them yesterday to see how they are gonna resist throughout all day. I use these two, mainly this Daydreamer and little bit pop on the middle. It's pretty well and they hold up very well. And I'm like kind of like this application is good, it's nice color, just the personal preference. I never reach out this kind of color. The only color, this one, I don't know. Okay, my battery is blinking, let's be faster. Yes, and this one has like the more like, I don't know, like the application wise and the thickness wise, I feel it's more greasy. So this eyeshadow, it's been on me maybe half an hour. When I check the close up, I see this all crease. Because the same reason it's not that thick, that's why it crease easily. Okay, overall, I like this lunch. Okay guys, let's get in the check-in. After a couple of hours, it's 4:10. I put these colors maybe around 1:30, 2ish. It's been like 2 hours. So we're gonna be observing what happened in these 2 hours. I already removed my lashes, so I'm gonna give you guys clear view how those looking like now. As we all see on this part, we get some texture on the eyelid and some separation on this green, little bit separation through the orange and the texture again. I don't see any separation on this Daydream, the one we placed in the outer part. On this eye, we have huge separation on this blue. And through the purple, we got some separation here. But the other part, Daydream, doesn't have any separation. And I feel it doesn't have that much texture as well. Yes, guys, this is just after 2 hours. 2.5 maybe. 2.5 hours. If we got this result after 2.5 hours later, I'm not sure how it's gonna look like after a couple of hours later. But when I applied yesterday, it was like the light application, so I didn't have any separation or any texture with light application, and I used my finger to diffuse the edges and everything. I didn't get this result yesterday, and whole day it was fine. But today, as you see, I applied a little bit thicker, like couple of layers. So I guess it depends on the application. In this case, with the layering case, we got cracks and the separation. But yesterday I applied lightly. I didn't have any separation. Yes, So you got your own judge, guys. After I pop out and show you the couple of hours later, now I'll let the previous spinner to finish the video. Okay. Yes. I believe that's all. If you liked the video and if you haven't already, I really appreciate your thumbs up and hit my subscription button. So you're gonna be part of my YouTube family and we're gonna be reunited here for my next video. If you have any idea, if you have any product you want me to use, hit me up, babes. Yes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.